Welcome to this informational video. This time we will tell you more about photos on iPhone. When you open a photo in your photo album, there will appear an info icon. After pressing the icon, lots of information will show up. Create and add photos to albums. This keeps your images organized. Add a widget on the top of your home screen. Here randomly display photos so you can relive special moments. If you're looking for a photo with text, it's easy to find it with the search function. If you want to change the keyframe of a live photo, you go to Settings and then click the icon at the bottom left. iPhone automatically creates different memory mixes. You can access them by going to the tab View. It is also possible to adjust some changes. If there is someone in your memories that you want to feature less, then there is an option available by pressing the info icon. Enjoy all your greatest memories.